Hey, what's going on, people? Welcome to the channel. Today, filming on my phone using this microphone. We're going to be unboxing this LG UHD AI ThinQ technology, real 4K TV, Gen 5 processor, and ThinQ AI with WebOS built in. LG, great TV manufacturer. They actually make their own panels, which is really cool. Got this thing on sale for around $250. It was $50 off, normally $300. So yeah, let's unbox this thing and we'll hop right into it. Probably do some time lapse, and then in terms of individual components and stuff like that, I can show you what it actually comes with. Probably won't be an in-depth, sort of setup guide or anything like that, but we're gonna be just unboxing it, which is pretty cool. So, in editing, I'm not gonna show you all this, obviously, but obviously I wanna get this on film. It's important and people love this stuff, apparently. And I never said I was good at unboxing stuff, even though I've done a lot on this channel. But a lot of TVs actually come boxed like this now. Like, this isn't just LG. Your Samsungs, your Vizios, all that sort of thing will come in a similar box like this, where you slide it up and then TV will just be there. Something will be covering the screen, so it doesn't get damaged in transit. TV companies have gotten really good about that. Like, you don't really have to worry anymore. It's not like the TV you buy or anything like that is going to be damaged in any way. Like, they're really good at the actual packaging itself. So I do have this right side up. So we do have a power cord. Every TV should come with that. Let me just double check I'm recording. Yep, we're good. We have feet, which I think are snap-ins. I don't think they are screw-ins, but I'll just confirm that afterwards. So how do I want to unbox this, actually? Just to slide it up, but honestly, I might not even care. Whoops. Yeah. Yep. All right. Literally just, I'm gonna open it up from the bottom, actually. That makes more sense. Let me open it up from the bottom so it can slide right out. Old. Go. Let me just cut this tape here so that can pop out as well. It should be good to go. So now should just slide out. I'm so bad at this stuff, guys. You have no idea. There you go. Now, getting old. Getting too old for this stuff, guys. Box over here. But yeah, that's generally how TVs are unboxed these days. Like, you just slide it right out. It's not that bad. I know I showed you the way I did it was not good, but comment down below, comment section, how bad that was. But it should be on film right now. I'm probably gonna take this over and put it on my couch just because it's so much easier to actually set up. So let me go change the angle of this. We'll go. Okay, so I just moved it to my couch just so this is easier to work with. But the styrofoam should come off. Throw that over there. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Hold on, let me put this down here, get out of the wrapping, so I can show you guys what it looks like. This cost $12 a year, estimated electricity bill. I don't know if that's low or high, to be honest. I don't have nothing to take that off. Just step more styrofoam. Love it, love it, love it. So here's the panel. I don't want to touch it, although it does have plastic all over it, so I can touch it. We have like a brushed aluminum. Oh, also here's the screws and stuff for the legs. Also gives you the remote and some batteries. It's pretty cool. So this is about to fall off. LG logo right there. We have a power button actually right there too, if you need to access it that way. Sort of like a panel. Looks nice. Actually, panel looks really good. Kind of like a brushed titanium gray sort of along the sides here. If we flip it around, I'll show you what we're working with. Here we go. So you see, and this is where you get the power, audio, LAN for internet. I don't know who uses I don't know who uses a wired connection. Really need fast speeds, but most of the time people won't have TV set up near the router or anything like that. But if we turn it to the side, I don't know if the camera can capture this, but here are the ports we're working with. Looks like USB-A, USB-A, 2 HDMI in, 2 eARC, I think, yeah, and then a antenna. So that's it for ports. If you want something with more HDMIs, don't get this TV. Probably not worth it. But I am going to lay this flat like this so I can actually install the feet, because it makes it 10 times easier to install the feet like this, as opposed to trying to hold it up. You need like a partner to do that. So let's cut away to that. Okay, so just like trying to show how the feet set up. Tells you on here, there's like a gear here, so it's kind of indicating like which leg is which. I don't know. Are there screws for this? I feel like there has to be. Unless they're just, like, it locks in. It's just, I feel like that can easily fall out. So I'm just gonna double check, make sure there's actuals for this. I do not want to be responsible for breaking this thing, because that could pop out easily. Cable management. Where's the screws? Okay, cool. We do have 2 screws in here. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go grab. Okay, so the feet are properly installed. I had to like bring out my big screwdriver to do this because it was kind of a pain. So got that all set. Now we can work on actually plugging this thing into the wall and seeing if it'll power up. So fingers crossed. I mean, like, it's pretty much guaranteed to turn on, but never say never. Or I guess things are always possible. And for reference, guys, this is what the remote looks like. Lots of buttons on here. We do have shortcuts to Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video, and some of the LG pre-installed channels, but we have a full number pad, which is pretty cool. Volume up, down, mute button, search button, home button. Honestly, this seems like a pretty good remote. Record button, I think that's a guide button, and some settings, quick actions on the top. I know a lot of people there were some complaints about this because it's not the Magic remote. I'll just bring this back here. And luckily they also give you batteries to install as well, which is cool. It's the least you can do. You're paying hundreds of dollars for a TV. They may as well give you some AAA batteries. So, and yeah, so just for reference, this does take AAAs. If I could actually slide that in. So here's the remote control, the back. Yeah, good, lightweight, kind of bottom heavy, but yeah, it's all plastic, but it's kind of like a brushed plastic, so it feels somewhat premium. Okay, so here's the TV setup. This doesn't have an anti-glare coating on it, which is fine. I mean, my room has some sunlight coming in, but at night this really shouldn't be an issue. So let me work on taking off the plastic, and we'll see if this thing actually can boot up. All right, so I got the plastic off. LG logo right there. This is what it generally looks like in my room. There's my Christmas tree. So yeah, looks like a nice decent sized display. Fits my sort of space here on top of my bureau pretty nicely. Barely plugs in the wall. I wish the power cable was a little bit longer. LG future improvement you can make there. Anyway, let's turn this thing on and see what we got. See if it works. And I mean, it should. There shouldn't really be any issues, but there we go. So guys, video's gonna end here. Stay tuned for the future sort of setup video, and we're gonna go from there. So if you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Tech with Scott. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.